check your time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun.
So guys, for our native stew, so here is all we need. So in here I have some tomatoes, some onions, and one scotch bonnet pepper. So I have my spices, paprika powder, ginger. I have my curry and 1.5 seasoning cube. So in here we have our rice. I'm going to be using a basmati rice. So here is my salt. So I have sunflower oil and also palm oil, so I'm going to be mixing both of them together. So for our rice, I'm using rice and beans. Yeah, I'm mixing rice and beans. I already parboiled these beans yesterday. So for our protein, yeah, I have beef and shaki. Yeah, beef and shaki. And for our dried, I have dried fish and also some dried pomo. Yeah. So guys, not forgetting our crayfish. Yeah, has it. So let's start cooking.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you?
So I'm going to be boiling the tomatoes just to remove the excess water. I'm going to be frying the meat. That's why I'm using a little pot, because I don't want to use too much oil, because this oil will be used for the stew too. So I just put another water on the fire. I'm going to let the water boil so I can add my rice. So while the meat is frying, I'm going to be soaking my dried fish and my pomo. So I'm just adding hot water and some salt. So I'm going to cover this one and set it aside.
Don't end up together, let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall. Doesn't wanna enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love.
Seems to be having the dry fish and the salmon now.
Doesn't wanna fall in love.
So I'm going to be having some salt. So our rice is ready now. I'm just going to turn off the gas. So now I'm adding the shaki. Crayfish. So now I'm going to be having the meat stock. So guys, I like to have my meat stock before I add any other spices. That way I don't have too much spices in my food. Just take a look at that, guys. Take a look at that. Perfect. Perfecto. So I'm just going to cover it and let it cook. So it's time to add the meat. So I think I'm not going to be putting everything because look like there is too much meat inside already. So guys, our stew is ready. Just take a look at that. Take a look at that pot of goodness. So I'm going to be eating now. I'm just going to dish out some. Guys, this is my food. This is what it's looking like. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Bye guys.